I supposed to say now?
Nothing stupid, I hope.
Okay, so...
I'm so sick and tired. Look at these flies, they're like mad smart. You could bit me in a row. Hey!
As...
Good, so I'm stupid and retarded.
Yeah.
I'm very hot. Right now, right
on.
I'm very hot. Is this my PSP? Or daylight? Let's sing. Sick.
I know.
We cut the lights
These are the ones I like, I want.
Ocean. That's it. I'm angry with it. One of my friends, he's French. Noah's Isaac's brother. Noah, he's French, and he roller skates to school like every day.
Like those?
Yeah.
Why the hell would he do that?
He likes to instead of skateboarding. You can't skateboard in that shit.
I'm tired.
Don't ask any more stupid questions. I'm making more stupid remarks.
Okay.
I'm psychic. For sure. Number. Is that what's that? The symbol?
Yeah.
You didn't put it after that one, so then.
Oh shit.
Good. He's gonna figure out it's not after a while. Green Street and daylight. The cap of the sunburn. Houses without these frames. Pick up my phone.
What about those new stores that open up by Alden? Joyce Leslie on
Joyce
7th?
Leslie? Oh, they probably would sell dress up there.
What's that other store?
Planet Fitness.
No, the other store with the shoes.
What is that called? I forgot what it's called. It's a shoe store. But they have like all the shoes in there. They have like every single. Someday I'll see who's out these frames.
If I can't get your shoes on Payless, then I have to get mine from Payless.
Yeah, I doubt that's gonna happen. I want the moccasins though. They're the only place that sells the moccasins.
Target? Or
No.
Payless?
Oh yeah, and Target sells it too. I'll go to Target.
Well, Target takes mad long to load.
I know, so don't go on it. Nothing.
Oh.
Did you realize I was making a video?
No.
Oh.
Hi.
David. Tell David you love him. Because you're gay.
David, you're gay.
No. We love David.
David's gay.
We love David.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
Maybe you do, but not me.
You do too.
No, I don't. I'm awesome.
Yes, you do.
According to you, I am awesome.
I didn't write that though.
What are you talking about?
I didn't put the number one after that or whatever.
Yeah, you did. Don't listen to him. Oh my, I hate this shit. Listen, David, never get Verizon as your, like, high-speed internet people, because they don't do shit, okay?
I don't think he has really.
What does he have?
I don't know. Where are you going?
I know, I'm leaving.
I I need the computer to do my research. And Christina has that hair straightener. That's the exact same one. I went in her house and it was in her bathroom and I was looking and I was like, what is this from the 1800s? Why is it so big? It was really heavy too.
Whatever.
Girl shoes. I knew it. Messed up. Ain't you supposed to see my bling yet? Yeah. Oh my god. Ask him when he's leaving. Ask him when he's going to work or whatever. When he's getting off. He still knows it's you. Like off the computer, not off. Not for a while. Oh, cool. Is this guitar? Listen. Are you the daddy little girl type boy?
Yes.
Yes. Daddy buys you everything.
No.
Yes.
No.
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 Poor child. Are you auntie's little girl? And she buys you everything. Clip. What did we say? You're so stupid. Those are ugly. I know some noises.
Oh, turn that shit off.
Okay. Okay.
What should I say now?
I don't know. Let's end the video. You're so stupid. And compliment me. You're so stupid. Why would he need to tell me if I told him to tell me?
I don't get what you just said. The whole sentence you just said was like, oh, human. hair do I have?
Ouch! Stop.
God, it smells like my cow. Something in here smells like my cow.